Hi, it's Jim Dodson. If you or someone you know has been the victim of a hit-and-run accident as a pedestrian, what insurance is available to help in these situations? You know, sometimes in hit-and-run accidents, the driver of the vehicle actually is identified. Unfortunately, in too many cases, the reason they left the scene originally was because they had no insurance or some other issue that affected their insurance coverage. So many times, the victim of a hit-and-run accident, it really is left to what insurance might be available through their own auto policy or through the auto policy of someone that they may live with, a resident relative that may afford coverage to them. So really two things might be available through that. The first would be no fault or PIP, which would pay medical bills, lost wages, attendant care, and those kinds of things that Florida no fault pays. And that would come through the victim's own insurance or perhaps the insurance of a resident relative with whom they might have lived at the time. The other would be uninsured motorist coverage, which would provide the type of payment to them that the driver's insurance company should have paid if the driver had stayed and had been identified and they had the right bodily injury coverage. And again, that would come either through the victim's own auto coverage if they own a car, or perhaps through that of a resident relative that they lived with at the time of the accident. So there is an opportunity for there to be insurance coverage, but these things have to be investigated carefully, and they should be done promptly after an accident by an experienced pedestrian injury lawyer familiar with the types of coverage that will apply and how to find that coverage when one of these serious accidents occur. I'm Jim Dodson. I hope this helps explain the situation. You have a great day.